Annyeong, ako po si Twyla aka The Pro Stan, and yes, buhay pa po ako. I just got back from Korea for a work/mommy bonding trip with my friend Janine. One of the highlights of this trip really is the Pamper Day sa Orta Clinic dito sa Gangnam, sa Seoul. Sobrang ganda ng clinic nila. Ayan, makikita nyo naman sobrang minimalist, very clean, very aesthetic. Actually, nasa work call pa nga ako habang finifilm ko to at habang naghihintay kasi again, as I said, work trip din ito. Sobrang dami kong K-pop projects lately, kaya halos wala na akong time alagaan ang sarili ko. Kaya naman super thankful ako sa Orta for taking care of us. So for today, I tried the Picosure toning treatment. It's my first ever beauty treatment at dito ko talaga yung ginawa sa Seoul. So Picosure toning, it's a non-invasive skin rejuvenation treatment using Picosure laser. And before that, syempre, may quick consultation ka muna with their derma. English speaking naman yung mga derma nila, so no problem at all with communications. Hindi ko na siya na-film kasi sobrang focused ako sa skin advice. Ang daming advice. And then after that, nag-cleanse muna. And after that, syempre, it's laser time. So, hindi naman siya masakit. Actually, medyo amoy sunog lang kasi tina-target niya yung fine hairs and pigmentation ko. Ayan, as you can see, pinafocus talaga nila sa aking chin area kasi dyan talaga ako pinakamaraming hyperpigmentation dahil sa aking mga pimples and acne scars. Maraming salamat sa puyat at stress ng aking work. And then, meron din silang free clay mask. It's super soothing, lalo na with the K-pop piano versions playing in the background. Grabe, muntik na akong makatulog kasi pinatugtog nila yung Goodbye Summer ni IU. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang relaxing. And then after nun, of course, may moisturizer, meron din silang full after treatment station. You can see the immediate effects on my skin really after this pamper session. It's amazing. And habang hinihintay ko si Janine matapos sa kanyang treatments, which by the way, make sure to check out her video kasi mas marami na siyang experience with Korean beauty treatments like this one. So ayan, nagpaganda muna ako, nag-blow dry muna ako ng hair. And anyway, if you're looking for a relaxing aesthetic clinic sa Seoul, make sure to check out Orta Clinic in Gangnam. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!